These are the cats that live in my neighborhood. This is Sam. Ollie is usually here, but he's not here today. These are Suri and Jasper. They're making sure I don't forget about them. This is Abby. She's the sweetest. She always wants pets. There goes Sky. It seems like she's not hungry. Suri over here reminding me that they're my next stop. Here comes Oliver. He's one of the feral cats that lets me pet him. This is Alex, a friendly feral. He doesn't allow me to pet him, but look how cute he is. Again, sorry, making sure I don't forget about them. And this is my last stop, feeding all the cats in my neighborhood.